Okay, today we're going to take a look at the musical robot. And if I recall correctly, I better read. Yep, this is made in Hong Kong. Let's see. Battery operated, automatic music playing, goes forward, stops with blinking lights. So the eyes flash to the music when it stops walking. You'll notice it's one of the 4 AA battery units, and being that it was an 80s robot again, you can't put 4 modern batteries in there unless you take one and hammer it semi-flat, which is what I've had to do on several of the other robots. The battery box itself simply isn't big enough to hold 4 AA batteries. So I think it must have come out around Christmas because it plays Christmas songs. And say walks. This is the stop mode with the flashing eyes. And now it's back in walk mode. It's I don't believe it had any other markings on it. Had an insignia there, number there. There are the batteries. This is the one I had to hammer flat. This is the same body and the same gearbox as the TV robots that I just did, and it had the same problem that they had, since it's the same gearbox and design inside. There are 2 8-tooth gears and they're both split, so I had to open it up and repair it. One of the 8-tooth gears is on the motor, that's called your pinion gear, and the other 8-tooth gear is 3 gears down the road from that, and it was split. And see, they've just added a lot of nice chrome to it and stuff like that, but it is the same, just in case you haven't watched the other video, it is the same as this green TV robot here and this missile firing. It's the same body, they just dump more chrome and stuff on it. And even this guy here with a slightly different head. It's still the same inside body, legs, walking mechanism. So there you have it. Let's get back here. Our musical Christmas robot. I don't believe I saw any other than that deal right there. Any other clue as to who might have made it? Just Hong Kong. Yep, that's all it says. Merry Christmas.